Hey there, I'm Walmart Chef Anthony Serrano, and we're making doughnut waffles from our 5-ingredient inspiration series. All you need is these amazing ingredients. Start off by spraying your waffle maker with cooking spray. You don't want your doughnut waffles sticking. Place the biscuits on the grill, cook them until they're nice and beautiful and caramelized. Then I make my sauce by adding butter and milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Add some butter, and finally, add vanilla, cinnamon, and powdered sugar. You can always add some nutmeg or other spices to it if you'd like. Finish it off by adding powdered sugar. Give it a good little stir. You want to make sure you get it all nice and mixed. Cook it for a little bit longer until it gets nice and thick. Then you pour the glaze over the waffles. I like serving it with a little bit of whipped cream, berries, and mint. Enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. For more recipes just like this, be sure to subscribe to the Walmart Chef series on YouTube.